AgTech Tech Tip: Offset lines. The offset line tool is used to create parallel data lines based on a fixed distance or slope from the reference line. You may also use the offset line to offset a line to daylight to any surface. We will first offset a top of curb line to account for the bottom of curb and sidewalk. Select the top of curb line and select the Offset Line button. The Offset Line editor will display. We will first offset the top of curb to account for the face of curb. Under Line Controls, make sure the direction is to the correct side. You may enter a line label if desired. You may add points at a specified distance and connectors, which will add perpendicular lines from the reference to the offset line. For this example, we will leave these unchecked. Also leave round corners and daylight unchecked. Enter 0.5 for the start offset distance. Enter minus 0.5 for the elevation difference to account for the curb reveal. Keep the end of line the same values. Click View to display the offset line. And make sure it is on the correct side and click Apply. We will next offset the top of curb 5 feet for the sidewalk. Change the offset direction. And enter a label if desired. And enter 5 for the offset distance. Enter 2% for the slope. Click View to verify it is correct, then click Apply. Then click Close. To apply an offset to multiple lines, you must make sure all the lines are going in the same direction. For example, if the sidewalk is on the left of one line and to the right of another line, you must use the Swap Ends tool to reverse the direction of one of the lines before applying the offset line. You may also use the offset lines for overbuilding a pad and offsetting to daylight. In this example, we will offset a building pad for over-excavation. The pad line has already been copied to a new surface and lowered for the over-excavation. Select the pad line and click the Offset Line button. We will first offset the pad to the outside 5 feet. Keep round corners unchecked. And enter 5 for the start offset distance and 0 for the slope. Click View to verify it is correct and click Apply. And click Close. Select the 5-foot offset line and click the Offset Line button. Keep the direction to the outside and check round corners. This will smooth the transition on the corners. Check daylight. Select Stripped for the daylight surface. The start offset distance will default to 500 feet. This establishes the limit for which the offset line will project to find daylight. If it fails to find daylight in 500 feet, it will stop. Enter the desired slope. In this example, we will enter 1 to 1. Click View to verify it is correct. Click Apply and click Close. You may now snap a perimeter to this line to calculate the over-excavation and stage the over-ex surface.